Today we're discussing required emergency equipment and how to use it. Emergency equipment is essential for the safety and compliance of all commercial motor vehicles. Here's an overview of each required item and how to use it. Warning triangles provide visibility to alert other motorists of a stopped vehicle, particularly in emergencies or breakdowns. You must deploy warning triangles when your vehicle is stopped on the roadway or the shoulder due to a breakdown, accident, or other emergency that requires the vehicle to be stationary for an extended period. During a roadside emergency, you are required to turn on your hazard flashers and deploy your warning triangles within 10 minutes of stopping. On a 2-lane highway, place your first triangle 10 feet in front of your truck, facing approaching traffic. Place your second triangle 100 feet from your truck, toward approaching traffic, and place the last triangle 100 feet behind your truck, away from traffic. On divided highways, place all 3 triangles behind the vehicle to warn approaching traffic at the same distances. Having a stock of required spare fuses ensures that you can quickly replace a blown fuse, maintaining the functionality of essential electrical systems like lights or wipers. To replace a fuse, identify the blown fuse, usually indicated by a broken wire or discoloration. Refer to your truck's fuse diagram to locate the correct fuse type and then replace the blown fuse with a spare of the same rating. You're also required to have a fire extinguisher, rated 5 BC or higher, to help combat fires involving flammable liquids and electrical equipment. Your fire extinguisher must be securely mounted within your truck. This means it cannot be loose or placed in a manner where it could roll or shift during transit, which could make it inaccessible or cause damage. The extinguisher must be located in a place where you or others can quickly access it during an emergency. Typically, fire extinguishers are mounted inside the cab or within an external storage compartment. Your fire extinguisher must also be properly maintained. This means that it should be fully charged, in proper working condition, and have a readable pressure gauge or indicator. Regular inspections are required to ensure it meets these criteria. To use your fire extinguisher, just remember the acronym, PASS. Pull the safety pin. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire and squeeze the trigger to release the extinguishing agent. Sweep the nozzle side to side until the fire is out. You must also carry emergency flares at all times. Flares provide visibility during low light or poor weather conditions and help warn oncoming traffic better than warning triangles alone. To use a flare, remove the cap from the flare and strike it on the ignition surface, similar to lighting a match. Place the flare on the ground, angling it slightly away from the vehicle to prevent rollback. Position flares similarly to warning triangles, at 10 feet, 100 feet, and 200 feet behind the vehicle on undivided roads. Ensuring all emergency equipment is present, functional, and correctly used is vital for safety and compliance with DOT regulations. Regular inspections should verify that each item is ready for use. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.